Hello guys, it's me again. In this video, I'm going to show to you how to use SAP 2000. Uh, Today, the problem is for BS8110-99197, and this document again is provided by the SAP 2000 for them to show that the the hand calculation is consistent with the software. And so similar to my other video, I'm uh, I'm going to show to you how to get how to get this number. So column demand over capacity ratio, where the sub 2000 says is 0.995, and the independent calculation, which is shown below, are 1. So there is a percent difference of negative 0.5. So I'm going to show to you how to use sub 2000 and finding that value. Okay, so let's begin. So first I'm going to file new model, and then I will select read only, type 2 here, 1 2, and then 1 1, and then the height is 3 meter. Okay, so I'm going to close this one, and then set to XA value. I will draw the column. So these are the columns. I will click the bottom join, click assign, join restraint, and then I will make a fixed connection, and then I will select the join above, click assign, join restraint, and then I will just select the translation 1 and 2, and then click OK. After that, I'm going to select the member, and I will click the assign frame sections, and I will click add new properties. I will select concrete, and then from the concrete section I will select rectangular. So I have to copy the dimension given on this. So the beam is 550 by 350, so I will put 550 here, and then 350 here, and then I will click the plus materials. From this one 4000 psi, I will modify it, and then I will put the compressive strength provided by this document, and it says 30,000. Put 30,000 here, click OK, and then for these materials modify, I will type 460,000, 460, 1 2 3, and then click OK, and then OK. And then for the concrete reinforcement, I will for the clear cover area, I guess you know already why I will put 361, because the longitudinal bar size should be 25 mm as per here, 25 mm bars. And then this one it's not 25 mm, I sorry, 25 m type of bars. And then I will choose 10 m here, so the number of bars in say is 1 2 3 4 5 here, and then I will have 2 rows. Then I will click check reinforcement to be checked, and then I will click OK, and then we are good about the session. I will select this Ex002 and click OK. So I will now define load patterns. I will make this 0 and click modify load pattern and click OK. I will click define load cases, and then I will delete this model. Okay, and then click OK. So define load combination, add new combo, click add and click OK. and then design, concrete frame design, revise preference, and then select the code PS8110-1997, and then I will select that one, and then in the consider minimum eccentricity we should put no, and then for the utilization factor limit we should put 1 here, and then click OK, and then after that click design, concrete frame design, and then select design combo and click combo, click add and uncheck the automatically generated code-based design load combination, and then click OK. After that, select the column, click design, concrete frame design, and select view / revise overrides, and then for the framing type we select non-sway, and for the effective blend factor beta we type 1 here, and for the minor we also type 1 here, and then we click OK, and then we select the upper point, and then we click assign joint loads and forces. So says that they're supposed to have 1971 downward forces at the z direction, negatives because it's downward, and then there is a 493 kilonewton meter my. So I'll try for it and click OK. Then we are ready to run the analysis. Click run now, save it, and then click save, and then click yes, and then that's it. We are assuming that the answer should be 0.995. So let's see. So I will just start the complete design check, and then display design info, and then I will click column PMM interaction ratio and click OK. So the answer is 0.995. So the column demand over capacity ratio is 0.1995. So we are correct, and I'm done. Thank you guys. So if you need to have a calculation for that one, these are the calculations, and then that's it. So if you wanted to have a details, you can just click this one, and then that's it. Thank you guys.